I used to think grooming was just about looking good until I turned 35. Everything changed. If you're over 35, your beauty routine isn't just self-care, it's self-respect. Today, we're diving into 16 timeless grooming habits every woman over 35 should know, whether you're in Sydney, Stockholm, or Seattle. Stick around to the end. 12 might just save you from a skincare mistake I regret for life. Hydrate like it's your job. Invest in reusable water bottles. Canada loves eco-living. Herbal teas over coffee. Scandinavia's skin-friendly secret hydrating serums with hyaluronic acid humidifier use in dry cities like Calgary or Berlin. Dehydrated skin ages faster. Your glow returns in days. Master the 5-minute morning refresh. Lukewarm water splash to reduce puffiness. Gua Sha or Jade Rolling. Nordic spas love this tinted sunscreen for protection and polish. Clean brows equals natural facelift. The first 5 minutes shape your face all day. You look awake even before your first coffee. Scalp health equals hair health. Weekly scalp scrubs used in London salons. Peppermint oil massage. Silk pillowcase to prevent breakage. No tight hairstyles. Avoid hairline damage. Your hair's health starts at the roots. Stronger, thicker hair in 60 days. Learn the art of fragrance. Layering body oil, lotion, perfume lasts all day. Know your scent profile. Woodsy, floral, citrus. Spray on clothes plus pulse points. Parisian tip. Don't mix competing scented products. Your scent is part of your presence. You'll be unforgettable. Tailor your grooming by season. Winter, heavier creams. Canada, Germany, Nordics, summer, gel moisturizers. Like SPF. Australia, exfoliation frequency changes with humidity. Frizz-proof hair routines for humid zones. Seasons change, and so should your skincare. No more dry patches or early mess. Keep your nails quietly elegant. Soft neutrals equals timeless. Invest in glass nail files used in Berlin salons. Short, clean shape over long acrylics. Cuticle wool before bed. Nails say more than you think. Classy hands without a salon trip. Exfoliate but gently. Weekly enzyme peels gentler than scrubs. Use a konjac sponge or soft cloth. Avoid overdoing it, especially in dry climates. Follow with barrier repair. Moisturizer over exfoliating equals fast aging. Smooth, makeup-free confidence. Practice brow discipline. Regular shaping, not over plucking. Use pencil that matches hair tone, not darker brow gel to keep things in place. Learn your arch. Nordic women often brush upward for lift. Your brows frame your whole face. Youthful look without fillers. Which of these habits do you already follow? Comment below. New videos every week from women over 35 reinventing their glow. Check the description for grooming kits, natural oils, and wellness finds I personally use. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you.